Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse audio on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my InShot application and I'm going to show you how you can reverse audio using InShot. First of all, you need to create new project on InShot and then you can add blank clip to your video. Okay, then you can add the audio you want to reverse. I'm going to go to the audio and I'm just going to select music and I'm going to add music from my device. Audio from my device. I'm gonna add for example this one guys. This is the original audio. I'm going to click on use and you can extend the clip according to the duration of your audio. Okay, and after that we're going to save the video. You can click on export and I'm going to select this resolution and click on export. Okay, now the video is being exported. Alright, and I'm going to go back to the home page and I'm going to create a new project again, and we need to import the saved video. Okay, and if you want to reverse the audio, you can click on the reverse option. Right guys, click on reverse, and since we have combined the audio with the video, we'll be able to reverse the audio because there is no way to reverse audio only on InShot. Okay, and now the audio has been reversed. Okay, and you're going to export it. Okay, and if you want to use the audio, you just need to extract the audio from the video. For example, you want to use this audio for another editing. So I'm just going to create a new project and I'm going to select blank clip. And if you want to use the audio, we can go to the audio and then select music and select extract audio from video. And I'm going to select this video, the video we have just reversed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse audio on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.